Right, so we're on site now in front of the boiler. As you can see, there's no display, well, no neon. Green light's off, everything's off. So we're going to turn the power off. So turn the power off. Right, you've got your multimeter.
Yeah.
So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to just make sure that the appliance is earthed.
Okay.
So we're going to check on the screw here and touch the appliance casing. Yeah, okay. So it's earthed. Alright, good. So we're going to remove the case now. That just lifts off, just up and it. Right, next thing I'm going to do is check the resistance. I'm going to check the pump and fan. Looking at the condition of this boiler, looks like it's been leaking in the past from the auto air vent. You see that bit of water coming down?
Yep.
It's not happening now because the pressure's okay. It's probably in the past. So we can take that screw off now to the side of the pump. I'm going to check the resistance. So if I do that, that should get it off. Okay, resistance. Alright, so we're going to go across live and neutral. So according to this, we got open loop. We're just doing a retest because the connection went on proper. The other way you could do it, we could remove the bottom panel here. Step that. See that panel there? This.
Yeah.
There's two screws underneath. Undo them, and we can check along the board.
Okay.
So do it that way. Middle. So there's three actually. What holds it? What I do instead along here. This one here.
Yeah.
That's the pump connection, and these are for the fan. So we can check both of these two here.
Right.
So you can either go straight across them two pins, the brown and the blue. It might be a bit easier. Try that.
I don't know, right?
So it's the same as what I got before. So that's very low, that. Don't look good. Yeah, I think that's a pump. We're also going to check the resistance of the fan. We'll go across the black and white first. And then let's try the black and red. Alright, okay. We're checking across the new pump here, live neutron there. And you can see there's a lot of difference from the other reading, which is about 9. And now I'm going to check the fan. We've got a fan here. I'm going to check across that and compare the readings on that as well. So we're checking across the first winding. You can see at 18.8. And then we're going to go across the second winding. That's about 60. So on the previous reading it was about 47 and 24. So it's in the range of what it's supposed to be. So it's looking like the pump is the problem. I'm going to do something else now. I'm going to look at the fuse, which is gone. So there's the fuse there. You can see the 2 amp white one there. I'm going to take that out. We'll just double check that is gone. Yep. That's it. So we'll get your multimeter, put on continuity. Switch them together. Let's make sure it's buzzing. Let's make sure you're buzzing first. So it has gone.
Yep.
I've disconnected the pump, as you can see from the board. We're going to replace the fuse, run the boiler and see what happens. Just putting the fuse, a new fuse in. So I'll put the fuse in, I'm going to turn it on. You can see the green light on. It's running, but we're going to turn it off because it will overheat, because the pump is disconnected. That's why, because if you left that running any longer, it'd overheat, start bubbling. And the fuse didn't blow, so reconnecting the pump. And we're now going to try it again. There you go. Live on stage, bang.
Yep.
So I was right.
Yep.
What diagnostics, eh?
Yeah. Yeah, very well.
That was live on stage. I put my reputation on the line there. I just want to prove it. That was right. So it is the pump.